Hi, I'm Melissa. This is the TFY Universal Wall Mount, which can be used with a range of different sized devices, including tablets, phones, the Nintendo Switch gaming device, e-readers, with or without protective cases fitted. The mount is comprised of a self-adhesive hook attachment pad that can be used on any wall around your home, plus a device holder with 3 selectable clamps to suit a range of devices. The clamps allow full access to device buttons and ports whilst maintaining holding tension. The wall mount has a neat and elegant design and is available in 3 colours, white, mid-grey and black, to suit your room decor. The mat has a thin profile when the clamps are closed, so it will not intrude on the surrounding, but when not in use it may also be easily detached and stored out of sight. The TFY Universal Wall Mount is compact, discreet, versatile, and enables hands-free viewing of many devices. It may be set up in kitchens, living rooms, bedrooms, offices, workshops. There are just so many ways this universal wall mount can benefit your family and your entertaining or educational experiences. The installation and operating instructions supplied are simple and easy to follow. Get yours now.